Hey, what's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to channel, the go-to place for all things tech and content creation. And today we've got something special for all you aspiring vloggers and content creators out there. We're diving into the future because in this video we're talking about the absolute best vlogging cameras in 2024. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech updates and gear reviews. Trust me, you don't want to miss what we've got lined up. Number 5, DJI Pocket 2. If money is an issue, the DJI Pocket 2 is a one-of-a-kind, all-in-one vlogging gadget that won't break the bank. Unlike our previous selections, it includes a 3-axis stabilized gimbal, allowing you to capture buttery smooth handheld footage without the need for pricey stabilizers or gimbals. Did we mention that can all fit in your back pocket? That alone makes it a worthy complement to the current crop of vlogging cameras. Aside from the gimbal, its first 7-inch sensor outperforms most cameras of its size and low light performance, and it can shoot at up to 60 frames per second in 4, with a slow-motion capture option that records at up to 240 frames per second in 1080p. Furthermore, an active track feature can automatically track a subject as they move about. Number 4, Sony ZV-E10. The Sony ZV-E10, a camera precisely built to respond to the unique needs of content creators, ushers you into the future of vlogging. Whether you're an experienced vlogger or just starting out, the ZV-E10 combines cutting-edge capabilities with a user-friendly design to give an amazing vlogging experience. The ZV-E10 has an impressive APS-C sensor, which ensures exceptional image quality and depth of field for your vlogs. The Variangle LCD screen is a game-changer for vloggers, allowing them to capture spectacular 4K films and high-resolution stills with clarity and brilliant colors. Flip it out and rotate it to view yourself as you record, ensuring you're always correctly framed. This feature is especially useful for creating unique perspectives and seamless selfie-style images. With the ZV-E10's fast and precise autofocus, you'll never miss a moment. The camera quickly and accurately locks onto your subject, enabling you to focus on your content without worrying about blurry images. Get that professional look by blurring the background with the ZV-E10's wide aperture. Create compelling pictures that make you stand out in every frame. Use the built-in directional 3-capsule microphone to ensure your vlogs have clear and immersive audio. Capture your voice clearly while minimizing background noise for professional-grade sound. With the push of a button, you can easily switch between clear and defocused backgrounds. The product showcase setting automatically shifts the focus to the object you're showcasing, making your vlogs more engaging and professional. Perfect for product reviews and demonstrations, the product showcase setting adds a dynamic touch to your vlogs, allowing you to adapt to different settings seamlessly. The ZV-E10's compact and lightweight design makes it the ideal companion for vlogging on the go. Carry it easily and capture your excursions with ease. Interchangeable lenses expand your creative possibilities. The ZV-E10 accepts a range of E-mount lenses, allowing you to customize your setup for different shooting conditions. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth allow you to easily share your content, transfer files to your smartphone with ease, or use remote shooting for increased convenience. With the Sony ZV-E10, a vlogging camera designed to empower video creators with cutting-edge capabilities and straightforward controls, you can unleash your creativity and connect with your audience in new ways. The ZV-E10 is your dependable friend for creating interesting and professional quality vlogs, whether you're sharing your daily travels or crafting fascinating storylines. The ZV-E10 has a huge APS-C sensor that produces exceptional image quality, low light performance, and cinematic depth of field. Your vlogs will stand out with their visual richness. Capture your moments in spectacular 4K video, bringing forth the finest details. The ZV-E10 ensures that your vlogs are visual experiences rather than just stories. Your vlogging experience will be enhanced by the Variangle LCD touchscreen. With a responsive and tiltable screen, you can easily frame your images, examine content, and navigate menus. The ZV-E10 is intended for mobility without sacrificing functionality. Its compact and lightweight design makes it an excellent travel companion for vloggers on the go. With the ZV-E10's superior autofocus mechanism, you'll never miss a moment. It is quick, accurate, and responsive, ensuring that your subjects remain sharp regardless of the scene. Elevate your vlogs by easily regulating backdrop defocus. Create a professional appearance that separates you from your surroundings, directing attention where it matters. Easily experiment with artistic expressions. At the stroke of a button, you may switch between clear and defocused backdrops, providing you real-time creative control. For immersive vlogs, excellent audio is essential. The built-in directional microphone on the ZV-E10 ensures that your speech is caught clearly while eliminating ambient noise for professional quality sound. Use a variety of E-mount lenses to express your ideas. The Zeiss VE10's interchangeable lens system allows you to adapt to a variety of shooting conditions from wide-angle views to close-up photos. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can easily share your material, transfer files to your smartphone for rapid editing, or use it as a remote control for more easy shooting. Number 3. Sony a6700. The Sony 6700 emerges as the ultimate innovation in the rapidly evolving field of vlogging, providing video creators with an unrivaled instrument to bring their stories to life. This mirrorless camera, packed with advanced features and cutting-edge technology, is designed to fulfill the dynamic demands of vlogging in 2024. The Sony 6700 captures 4K video in exceptional clarity, ensuring that your vlogs are clear, colorful, and cinematic. Whether you're sharing travel stories or conducting on-the-go interviews, capture every detail with clarity. The portable form of the 6700 makes it an excellent partner for vloggers on the go. It strikes the perfect combination between performance and convenience, enabling you to focus on your material without the weight of bulky equipment. The sophisticated autofocus mechanism of the 6700 ensures that you never miss a moment. Its fast and precise tracking guarantees that your subjects remain in crisp focus, even whether in motion or shooting dynamic scenarios. Smooth and steady footage is essential for professional-looking vlogs. The in-body image stabilization of the 6700 compensates for shaking and jitters, giving you with clear images. The flip-out touchscreen makes framing and monitoring easier while vlogging. With the intuitive touch interface, you can easily capture innovative perspectives and guarantee your composition is ideal. You can also improve your audio quality by using the external microphone connection on the 6700. Connect your choice microphone for clear and professional sound, increasing the total production value of your vlogs. High frame rate shooting opens you new creative options. Capture amazing slow-motion sequences in high quality to add a dramatic touch to your vlogs. Easily transfer film to your devices or live stream your vlogs with built-in wireless connectivity. Number 2. GoPro Hero 10 Black. The GoPro Hero 10 Black is at the cutting edge of vlogging camera technology, providing content creators with an unrivaled tool for capturing and sharing their adventures with breathtaking clarity and versatility. The Hero 10 Black is designed to satisfy the evolving expectations of vlogging in 2024, building on the success of its predecessors. Improve your vlogging game with GoPro's sophisticated stabilization technology, HyperSmooth 4.0. Gimbal-like stability is available without the need for extra equipment, ensuring smooth and professional footage even in the most frenetic conditions. Capture your vlogs in 5K video resolution for a theatrical look. The Hero 10 Black provides amazing definition and clarity, allowing your audience to immerse themselves in the beauty of your material. It excels whether you're vlogging indoors or in difficult lighting circumstances. Improved low-light performance ensures that your vlogs remain vivid and sharp in any scenario. Real-time interaction with your audience. The Hero 10 Black supports smooth live streaming in beautiful 1080p quality, making it easier than ever to share your experiences as they unfold. Capture stunning stills with Superphoto and ATR features. The Hero 10 Black intelligently optimizes your images for the greatest image quality possible, even in different lighting circumstances. Feel confidence recording content in rain, snow, or demanding outdoor environments thanks to the Hero 10 Black's waterproof and durable build. Navigate settings and modes with ease with the Hero 10 Black's user-friendly touchscreen interface. Accessing features and altering settings is simple and intuitive, enabling you to focus on your vlogging creativity. Time Warp 4.0 allows you to create stunning time-lapse films. The Hero 10 Black intelligently adjusts speed according on motion, ensuring smooth and compelling time-lapse film. Keep your hands free for action. Voice commands are supported with the Hero 10 Black, allowing you to manage your camera with simple spoken commands. With a variety of GoPro mods and accessories, you can personalize your vlogging setup. The Hero 10 Black has the versatility to fit your individual vlogging demands, from extra mix to additional illumination. In conclusion, the GoPro Hero 10 Black is the go-to vlogging camera in 2024, offering a comprehensive bundle of advanced features, durable construction, and user-friendly functionality. Number 1. Sony ZV-E1. It's the Sony ZV-E1. It's Sony's first full-frame camera made particularly for vloggers, complete with a vlogging mic, a fully articulated screen, and no viewfinder. In-body image stabilization, IBS, reduces camera shake, and the 12MP full-frame sensor is good for low-light scenarios, making this an excellent choice if you frequently shoot in less regulated circumstances. It also has one of the most powerful autofocus systems on the market, with very consistent subject detection and tracking, and can record at up to 120 fps in 4K with internal 10-bit 4:2:2 capture. This is the best vlog camera for the solitary operator, with numerous features designed to remove the guesswork from video production. It does, however, come at a premium price, so unless you plan on making a profession out of vlogging, it will most likely be overkill for your requirements. It's also not the most compact option, thanks to its full-frame sensor and lenses. If you're primarily interested in outdoor or on-the-go vlogging, continue reading for additional economical and tiny options. Guys, that concludes our top 5 best vlogging cameras in 2024 list. All product links are in the description, which is updated with the lowest prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.